everybody, I'm Mary, and for today I'm going to be introducing you to the birdies. First off, we have Lemon. Lemon is 2 years old, he's a boy, he's actually a father now. He's the most ferocious out of them all. And we actually have Lemon right here. This sweet boy loves to eat sunflower seeds. He can be a little bit aggressive at times. The most funniest thing about Lemon is that he will fight with his family members for food, and he will compete with them aggressively to make sure that he gets as many seeds as he possibly can. He does also know a couple of tricks. Lemon, spin, spin Lemon, spin, Lemon spin, spin. Oh, good job, Lemon! He'll sometimes spin on his own, and he'll spin multiple times in a row to try to get food. Spin Lemon, spin, spin, Lemon, spin, spin, spin Lemon. He doesn't want to spin right now. He's quite beautiful. He has a lot of different colors on his body. He has some yellow, some green around the tail. Oh, he's spinning on his own, as well as some blue around his wings. If you don't see any blue around the wings or around the back, usually generally means that they're female. Lemon in particular, out of all the birds that I have, which are 3, he's very food motivated. And sometimes Lemon can be quite affectionate because he shows his warm and fuzzy side. He'll actually protect his girlfriend when she gets into a fight with some of their family members. You can see he's trying to look a little bigger right now, and you can see that he's very upset right now. One of the things they really love to do is they love to fly to this lamp, and then they just land there and just look out into the view, and they just enjoy a lovely afternoon. He's not super affectionate. He doesn't really like anything like kisses or being close to humans. Lemon, spin, spin, spin Lemon, spin, spin, spin Lemon, spin, spin Lemon, spin Lemon. Good job, Lemon! Good job! One of them is very fear motivated, and she won't actually approach unless she feels completely safe. But Lemon, he doesn't care. He sees the seed and he'll do anything for it. Another snack that they also really love is this millet. Lemon. All right, Lemon. Here you go. Good job. Sometimes they'll actually fly all the way across the room just to make sure that they get the seeds. And sometimes you see the more aggressive side of him where he's fighting with other birds and also just trying to eat as much food as possible. So you don't see the soft, sweet sides of him. It's interesting, if you smell him, he kind of smells like oatmeal. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun sharing these fun facts and tips about birds with you all. I'll see you next time.